Hello and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how incredibly intuitive it is to read a waterfall chart and to explain by it the performance of your business. The name waterfall comes from the shape of the chart because it is like a waterfall flowing from the block on the left to the block on the right. This chart is incredibly useful to understand what influences your profits or your sales from one period to another. In this example, we can see what influences the profits of the company, starting with total income and going through all the elements which influence in a negative way with red or in a positive way with green the performance of the company. You can have operating expenses, for example, of minus 1,800,000. You can have a gain from the sale of assets, 3.6 million, for example, and so on and so forth. And this explains in a very visual way what influences your profit. And you can make incredibly easy decisions and incredibly fast on each of these elements with the scope of maximizing your profits. Thank you for watching and see you soon.